Sanibonani sanibonani ishoboy phile Mathiwe phela nesithiyazi intwana semkodi khona le eKenza le sengathi ngithi le eKenza wathi uKenza kashaya thethiswa ngayinga kule left umphethu general siyagothe
danko
thank you ngize ngayinga ku right bengizosihamba nomaphoyisa but akalifuni mavoja
ayeho danko bafiki.
Speaking about umKenza, today we have wonderful news from Nabafethu. Thato Kiba, our very own based player from Kenza, Konti. He started the foundation, babiza Thato Kiba. Before he could go Kiba, he was a and I said, later on, pressure creates diamonds or disaster. Is it pressure creates diamonds or disaster? So we are going later on. Talking about Thato Kiba. Started in NGO from Soweto, YTT. Inja yethu bedlala talk at FC product Kaizer Chiefs. Khona manje udlalela isikhukhune. Kuya na kwenye team nje phethe imali ibukubuku khuluma ngeStelis. The business team. Bafethu, stay tuned for what's about to come. Thato Kiba Foundation. Now where's so talking about Betway. It was shivering for me, it's just okay. Angilweli next in grand lang corner. For my auto family phezulu upstairs in a second. Come by. Come by ngahle kahle izolo.
Bazothini bantwini?
Mabakhulume.
Khamba ukuthi Sundowns iyadliwa Tuesday. Shot 3-2.
Angibuzi ngeSundowns.
Khuluma ngeBheki.
Ukuthi Cambe izolo ngeteam yakho specifically Pirates.
Yo, yabo. Mabayishaya Tuesday Sundowns.
Pirates.
Sa celebrate. Angithi ngiyada.
Pirates.
Sa celebrate. Sa shoota yazini. This one is in the bag. Kamnandi. Saturday siyawin already. Shawan goal. 1-0 nje. Sesimnandi sazi ukuthi hayi madlala neOrbit akuna pressure. Fili hayi badlala abafowethu izolo. No man. It's like ikhambini nawusiyami. Ayakhathaza ne. Ikhambini hle. Mfana. Mina ngidisappointwe ucoach. Yokuqala. So momentum. So we are running for the league. In 14 years, we have to win. It's a must win. Uslepa kazange abe ne-bad game. Bekane game like really great. Azange abonise nokuthi bekadlalanga the whole season. Yabo? But then i-mentality elabantu laba belele badlala. Akekho naye. Ayilingana. Yes, ungaba in the team but sikhuluma ngemomentum yokudlala. Kule level besidlala kuyo.
Match fitness full.
Akekho da. We need a win. Uyamfaka. Last 2 games ufake uMakgopa. Sashaya Stellenbosch 2-0, sashaya Magesi 3-0. Ufichu korile ne. Lawo ma game lawo. Then uyeza kule game le. Cala ngayo. Won't change anything. There's no time to change. Now it's not the time to change. Young told. When I went allow my sub by 2 sisithola siseJV.
Okay, speaking of which, njengoba ukhuluma ngombazo.
Umbazo ba? Oh. 2010 World Cup.
Judging from the lineup, that's what you would say Ilani Moshe Kon. And when I believe game like it was important.
Very true. Yeah, important.
But it could have been but in cherry on top if
yes.
You're heading there with a clear conscience.
If Pirates made an option I2, the easy way and the hard way.
They chose
the hard way.
As usual.
True. We are always choosing the hard way. Like why, mfethu? Faka le 11 leyana mfethu ejwayele ukudlala sazi ukuthi it's the same pace mindset, mentality, yonke into. Score 2 goals then unga-introduce abo Sleep. Uyazi ukuthi next week Sleep ngizomdlalisa 90 minutes. Akuna pressure. Because that boy is a very, very good player. Ngambona last season ukuthi bengimangele ukuthi mina vele wayangadlalanga
throughout the season.
nalabi sinida khona i-CDM abekangamdlalisi. Now we need a win, dog.
Uyamfakela pressure.
Umfakele pressure and Nombatha. Ngithe mase ngicabanga izolo ebusuku sengicabanga Green. Nombatha had a bad game but ngumbatha nami I think bengizoba ne bad game because now ngidlala no Sleep uyacala ukudlala. Sekumele ngiprotect yena ukuthi mangayenza mistake
Kuyobhekwa kuyo uMbatha.
kuzobhekwa kubani. Sekumele manje akasakhona ukuya phambili uyathanda ukuya ngakhona makunomakhawula uNduli because uyazi ukuthi okay laba ngijwayele ukudlala nabo mnandi. So manje sekumele kumele uhlale u5 ubhekile ukuthi intona yami angeke izi yabo because angeke uzumcabanga ukuthi hayi angaba ne good game or angaba ne bad game but now kumele ube cautious. Then like really I mess up everything too.
Yeah, firstly uwadu ne ubali undermanele game lezo. Yabo mawathatha ubheka vele i-lineup nje bavele sikhala nge-lineup. You can't make uqeda ukuyisho now with like 2 previous games so awinile oyi2 nge-lineup e1. Makhopa bekada Makhole was there and then coming to this game important la kumele siwine kube must win sirelax sibe mnandi. Udecide ukwenza ama-changes. Uqala ngale striker sakhe. Ulandela nango Slepe. Feed Slepe. He had a great game. Udlalile because of manje impeka vele kula game la izolo. Ayikho mistake ayenzile. It's just that ukuthi mina kimi untwana oshawa yini match fitness iyamshaya. Mabheka Pirates the way bedlala ngakhona like throughout the season. The intensity level of fitness ebakuyo. Slepe ulibela ngadlali so ama game over asazomove up. But then he had a great game apart from that yabo.
So mnandi leya.
Ukumfaka kwakhe le pressure sikhuluma ngayo ukuthi untwana naye phela uyacabanga ukuthi isano Sharp. Previous week ngibuya ku DDC I helped ama agents ukuthi siwine Sharp. Now I believe now ne believe ukuthi yazini
I can do this
at the highest level and uyabona ke I pressure on itself ke ukuya le phezulu. I think umfake under the bus la uwali untwana yabo but then Fede udlalile uyenzile into yakhe. I would have preferred ukuthi badlale uSimakhawula aqedelele 2 games there on a high note yabo sicava ukuthi like siba comfortable we can break ilona defense Durban City but then Durban City nayo kumele sigain credit ngeke sithi Pirates ayizamanga nani but then Durban City idlali ize ne plan
ayishayile lo
ize ne plan yayo and the plan yabo baspanele and they knew what they wanted back in there.
Azama bakhipanga in any danger.
Exactly. Anything can happen in this game.
Yeah, anything is sure ukuthi phela Stellenbosch sawina next game.
Siyangena. Yabo. Bayabhayiziseka and asazi ukuthi bona bayodlala kanjani. But then iplan yabo baspanele because of now bazenye mandate ukuthi we don't attack, we stay as a defender. Phelela la and ubonile Pirates bepusha kanjani because of ngibone second half sesibuya. Pirates imile qeda ukususa ibhola ngiyabona yabalanda ziyeza. So ama agents akhawatha yini ukuthi mawafika la afuna ukujaha. Abafuna ukuphola bonke. Like you said wonke umuntu bekafuna ukushine on the team.
Wonke umuntu bekafuna i-headline.
Bokungena that unity ukuthi yazini let's work as a team. Sitholeni igoli as a team. Because of whoever onatla bakorile mawubani netloba an individual brilliance uyakani. Because of akawasha ba shot selokunu Apollo Sudi ngandile. Selini nedila nasesawo la kakanincane.
Exactly.
Even lemfukeni unalimo klamele anane quick adlale but then uzamile but then nesakaspanile into anze nedili compared nedili so diraba bana chance.
So tata
ngabake
assessment. Okay, sure. So would you say Ori dilenya when introduce the player sometimes I totally right.
You see
Like only bad time you
decision making on a particular game. Bombu iba sharpile kaofela collectively technically high bashayile.
And I think not only ka game ya mobile,
Exactly.
the games and it's. So would you say situation in the last time Namsaje, him not being ready
To
remember
compete.
to compete in a stage that's one and this. And going back to what you just said right now, Hore, Padu can say slepe under the bus. But that like ke opinion now.
Yeah.
Where can yes, Rebon is defend under the bus. But then again, how share for maybe nation take a little hence I not that is only Namsaje level game to such a not only Namsaje but the players say most one thing like unali like World Cup, but he's not getting enough game time with Orlando Pirates. Does that destroy him or build his confidence moving forward?
Now I think situation ya Makgopa nini ngadlali and adlala khona like let's say aqadile le game o khona ka something Makgopa wabo abe akore re be happy and then mo re mnidang teng just like Maobane ne re mnidi joko ne re batla qale le game re qete game re repe game wa bona ona le di game tse le go no tlamele re di repe 8 ka first half wabo so I'm game
as a player 6 something minutes
okay because of injury if ever nasa lemala Mbuthuma la no tlo etsalang ba tlo mkenya second half
despite the fact that if Mbuthuma nasa lemala
exactly
umkenze kana ko loreng
39 minutes
yeah ne first half not once delivery as player right they will chonka
yeah sharp
and jwanong ntse o ibua ngwana ke taba hore unombatla first half
aqale le game
exactly
yeah
so ukawathe wa Mbuthuma le chance hore a tshwine ntse wena we ba
sharp and upole sharp not to say o ga etsa per se because tjoko ba ke se ke re mntwana tse di tlile ka plan ka strategy se plan ka re tsa idlale ka di cross to start with and obviously ke ena the linky strike se rena le sona mthomtele so if I were to provide cross mntwana tse they knew like ka di cross Pirates won't compete ka di cross Pirates ke more of team e le go no gona go like idlale more 18 you want to touch ba break those windows idlale ona da tapping so Makgopa real park and that movement high in between the defenders o kgona to draw away so that the midfielders tsa gona di kgona etsang go score di goals le di wingers so like Maobane ke era already sana le pressure ntang Mbuthuma limits so kamela a carry or take over la and he say chase atla
is confidence yakhe izothinta ngoba uyadlala the past 2 games awina igame kumele niwine ngalo backdrop like nami ngihleli ebenchini useka yalimala lapha mentality yami sengiva mental
so inconsistency yaka coach ayikho grand
ayikho
mnata
ayikho le mo net mindset ya re santsana abatla o sheba which one is the winning formula
ayikho grand
and the solid late to fedile so fedile already se re bone winning combination team ya o qete mfethu repel ke go dlala le OVT re fedi envelope
into mina bengisho ukuthi like I understand ukuthi like why futhi kumele egame eliso besidinga like I win and besidinga nespeed bekumele afake uVan Rooyen
and the other thing ubone substitute ya why afakile ndawo amabana adonsa hothi whereas hothi nese aya more offensive
into lelitswa engaunderstand wow keep out wow ufake defend like sting win
ke mo bona ntengo like decision making yamshayo ana plan
Scalichilo earlier on wa motseleng gore mtso ke defender so whatever decision I can revolve around the defensive side of things, right? So let's put it like this. Then let's shift the focus away from the coach and base it more on the player, on the players. Skaucho Mobano Makgopa can already still under pressure, right? Because of
needed to deliver. Yeah.
So what about these other players in terms of pressure?
All our attackers is a headline. Bekungana teamwork. Wonke umuntu bekafuna ukushaya and yabona lo mentality mess up everything esispanele the whole season
mess up ne plan
mess up yonke plan.
So would you say ukuthi lento leyo okhuluma ngayo into yenzakala ku change room before the ilokhuzana game
hayi into yenzakala as individual as player when we won uyangithola sometimes somehow police bekungamele now la bekashaya bekungamelanga ashaya
unnecessary shot.
like unnecessary for ini
wa itse wa ke botsa
Mm.
because na le dileng ya hore o pula lo no dlala ball wa tseba gore let's say for an example re nke Barcelona back then ne ba tseba gore a re kenya Messi okay ke le coach ke kenya Messi tshwantsa shy spy right so let's say for an example I'm just saying hypothetically ukuthi if a coach bekathe a police take as much shots as you want to take we'll find something. Would you bash Ulokuzane or a police because of what you see, not knowing what's happening behind closed doors?
as much as ukuthi nami bengidlala ibhola I'll pose this to you nawe bodlala ibhola if ucoach ukutshela into and ekusebenzele egroundini bowenza
Well, I try into.
exactly
But then again, let's say uthola ama opportunity la kuvule khona kwamele ushaya then it happens with more shy it's off target. Mako kwi opportunity to shaya.
that's my thing throughout the season bowazi ukuthi noma uyivelile imbobo uyakhona ukwenza ngathi uyashaya uphasi
Exactly.
why manje ungasayenzi
But what happens to the responsibility side of things? Ukuthi if it's open, take a shot instead of passing Lokuzane by intercept a ball.
you'll shoot if ushayeka
No,
i5 and
angithi in a
akunayo
situation-
into
let's say
eyenzakalanga
in a
next.
situation, angithi manje sikhuluma nge-situation ukuthi vulekile,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
You need to take a shot.
Mhm.
And that decision ezoyithatha yokupass, it's a wrong decision, ya-intercept the ball. Still uzolokhu uzothi wangashayanga or kwamanje niyasho ukuthi wangaphasanga. Do you still think ukuthi lento leyo coach amtshele yona nani does it play a role or njengoba unisho ukuthi it was more of individual brilliance, right? But the same mentality is we want to win,
Yeah.
right?
I think if you kid li rush decision. Makita arasha unga decision.
Because of
Abafika
the
ko
tempo
final
of the
day
game.
exactly. So tsedi hence ke shoke ga police da la li shot le rona sa tlamela ding. No tlamele ga bona ga sala le team le rona e butsi. Ai ga take.
No block.
A se threat lo ba threat. Mara police le lo rona re etsang le di play. We needed players le rona di khona hold up ball. Ga dlala ball. So that go tlo khona ba throw di menses. Ba khona ho etsang o bule ya those movements tse etsalang off the ball ke tsona tse re hlokang fela ra o fitse ke ntwe le go ka e bona maobane hence a policy a entseng a tsenesa shapa di anisa
no
go nasa
really
le rile le na mabana sna there was a point where player rile o so re ball o e batla tsa detail tse tsang ntwana tse di aim like 3 wa bona a1 aim a1 ida ana enge a tsebo ga ye kae di maka di 3 so like wa bona like ku chongana movement of the ball ke
Ba bathatha ama-decision wrong
so the decisions ne le wrong everything nje it was bad nje because no dira mtholo gono o tlo holdela mpolo re dlale so that dimense ba khona o tla o rona re ba draw o tlo khona thola those spaces tse re di hlokang le di movement
esiphumbule type of play
yanthola
Okay,
kabelo dlamini
Exactly.
type of play
but those players, okay, siphumbule ngembono bekadla but as for Kabelo
ukabelo injured
No,
sesiyashutha ama-play
okay,
anjalo
bengifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi phela ifana icisha fana nekambazo. If bekangekho injured bekahleli nje kuzoba a debatable thing.
oh
You
yeah
understand?
no
In regards
ngikhuluma
to weekend time.
ama-player akwazi ukudlala i-low block
Sharp. So
Break
my
local.
question is, you saw the lineup,
Mm.
right? You saw the formation.
Mm.
So would you think ukuthi the formation enidlalile as the Orlando Pirates was a formation to solve the low block formation
Maybe-
of the opposing side?
ya Perez ne le more of attacking
Yeah.
as we know
but
Sharp.
it
My question
is
No,
that's
my
why
question-
here
I'm
because of
coming back.
it changes makuthi khona i-ball player ukuthi khona ukusibambela ibhola
no uyakhumbula dlala nelupopo
yeah
bebayidlala i-low block and we scored 3
bekunoba
goals
Yeah, my
nemidlalo
question
we
is,
played the same
no, but
formation
first, you don't
Bekunoba
understand the
nemidlalo.
question.
dlamini
The question ngithi igame yayizolo njengoba ibona formation. Do you think the formation enikhethile was to destroy the formation le bebayidlala yayizolo low block?
hey fana ngesicave because of nalo coach angisazi angisamthini
Okay, besides the coach, I'm talking about the formation.
but ikhethwa
Formation nele
Sharp, okay, iso
4-2-3-1 angithi
Mamela, angithi ka formation.
yeah it's
it's 4-2-3-1 is
The same
bokumbatha
formation.
no slap and then ba attackela ba notito eside na police mfukeng buthuma lone strike and then 4-2-3-1 angithi
yeah
so manje obviously maswanga yokumela senzele izinto hold the ball be that number 10 ukhona ukubreak ama-fester most of the time maswanga mawubhekile la game lezo maswanga beka side most of the time beka receive ama-ball side kusele bani la selombatha, but he couldn't do whatever le actually ukuyenza makano Makau. He's protecting the young slab.
And then
So like besingena that player, that particular player oyi-one lo ozoyenza ukuthi laba bakhona ukudlala maswana you are supposed to do makakayenza.
Listen, okay, I understand with that, but iconic player. But the thing is, hence I'm talking about the formation. Okay, formation. Let's move away from formation. La place Mfukeng corner for starters. Mfukeng we know as Mfukeng is number 10. Combination plays is good. Unalaka amahupa corner ngazi ukuthi u-attack from side wangena phakathi akamahupa njengoba usho ukuthi umgaye lembo wonyana lebe wamelahle ngayo. Mfukeng, he needs to stay there. I believe he's the one because I believe ukuthi low block for you to dismantle the low block. It's either like, let's say for example, Isuka from Gui left full back, ne overload the side one go right.
Okay.
So you know when you overload the side one go right, there's a full back free.
You overload.
You understand? Masan shift it goes with shifting and it's whatever split seconds that you have, you need to use it. Mawakala washifta that more people ngada u recover. Angithi bonke bazo people machine abafuna ukushifta. Usela la buya khona. You play. Or maybe overload lapha ku D-line. Hence we say ngal attacker dlala ka 2 guy with formation yama 1.
Attacker.
Yeah.
Reba 4 da kopile.
Then mo
midlile musala 2.
So attacker
yeah.
Basically. Okay, let me just say 5. Because now they want something I stay for these sports like 5. What overload? Wow, you need a creative play. Talking about Sipumbule, talking about Relay, but we're talking about the most consistent player
the number 10
that's always playing there. Ule role there. Shift to real, Mr. Society, frustration. It happens to Uvila. Maskata Salak Kisa. I also believe in number 2 Villa number 10 we can get things. But once Society be frustrating him. It went back. Mostly with coaches, even if it can be a foreign coach. Marafika PSA. Not to adapt to that sickness level with bonke. Some player who formation unamthatshela mina kahle kahle ngiyazeza
misposition.
And you know who effective as a win. But now playing on the professional side of things, then you place him good a position there. Obviously, you want him to adapt, and I maybe we should look at but not to his full potential, like Magadala side. You understand? So those are the things of Uti. We might not see them, but he's just crippled team.
Guys, don't get me wrong. Nomtachel is a very, very good play. Very, very good play. Ngikhala ngama decision awathathayo at the specific moment. Ngithola bekanganayo leyo experience leyo ukuthi mangisi njengoba usho ukuthi mangu situation eso mele ngenze so mangu situation eso mele ngenze so into bengikhala ngazo ukuthi nawe sometimes as a player individual you know ukuthi mangakhaba ibhola so lizoyali mangalikhaba so ibhola lizoya straight ngithola into bekumele uzazi so ama decision bekawathatha nangedeep kuzashaya umbatha la njengamele angashaya ithekile la
mase kumele
cover space akavele if umbatha kamthula at least yena ukhona la but yena what decide ukushaya ithekile yangithola so ama decision awathathayo sama maka for mina le position uyayidlala ne njengoba uyakhumbula kumele awuthi ecomment ku TikTok
uyayidlala ne yabona uyayidlala ne into engikhuluma ngayo
kumele awuthi ecomment ku TikTok yathi into yokuqala unemthajela akusi position yakhe le izwi ubonile lo comment le video
lena kithiba
more number 8 number 10 side udlala la uvelo side so like system le Pirates idlala ayinawo lama 18 whatever lama inama win idlala ngama full back awasaspani ubheke information ye Pirates akuna yini 8 and 7 so nathi okay 10 and 11 aliyo mfethu ngibuya so ke triangle mo maharini so mostly
awuzibiza ngamanamba
exactly angithi vele injala sayithune ngididengile so like
ayi mfethu
Muni
Pirates
so
Pirates is the team
Medienzi
history so bona next
week
next week sokhuluma
pressure is an external factor and it does cripple other teams.
Yeah, uthi le question yakho uyibuza mayisacela show utheni ufuna ukuyiphendula no.
leyo ukuthi
Pressure creates what?
pressure creates
Disaster
diamonds or disasters.
I'll say diamonds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like it's okay. Correct.
Yeah, I'll say diamonds because of for ukuthi ube na 33 then sikubize an experienced player. Wenziwe i-pressure waba i-disaster. But kuleyo disaster mase sithi ayile umshishi mase sithi umshishi umnandi umtsweni ubuyaphi disaster to diamond. So i-pressure creates diamond.
Okay,
Ah, we
I
right.
see. Okay, I get what you say. I see that we sort of like see a time frame.
Yeah.
The question here,
Yeah, okay.
time frame in regards to match.
Oh.
Yeah. Or maybe let's say the remaining matches. So we think it's the match one.
Mm.
But now
Okay.
in this instance, I'm talking about
Okay, I
the pressure
get
level
you.
ukuthi, okay,
Bangayiwini
we would
league.
have won their game.
Izolo.
Yeah. Then
But now moving forward,
what are we gonna do?
yeah, that's what I'm asking.
I know Chief is gonna create diamond because we are gonna win next week. Because of everything is Zizolo. Next week Saturday,
Nalungisa.
Pirates win the league. I'm telling you for free. And the Sundowns.
Put it on record.
Yeah, but now I would tell them for free because I would say there's no competition in a way for them. Their competition is themselves.
Exactly.
Because them
Urile makafika next week mela qala shaya
Vele
ispike.
game ezo-
Mela shaya ivala mntwana yami.
It's a
Or river.
loss
Ivala.
to Pirates. They could have won and back then lento le was ukuthi kuya phambili hayi. It's a done deal.
Mfethu.
Bayithuthuzela lentwana zabo.
Mfethu i-mentality yami kuyileyo nami ngishitshela ukuthi yabona izolo faka best 11 siyabulala sizama ngayo yonke into solithola igoli eliyi-1
And bazothola.
solithola igoli eliyi-1 ukuthi next week masidlala sibone mfethu man sibona bo radio pane sibone
Ubheke nenye into.
le ntwana ugoalkeeper udladla
Ubheke nenye into.
Angithola.
Team selection. Ubheke nebench yePirates. Yeah. Ubheke nebench yePirates.
iyafana besikhala ukuthi ayi uTito ngathi manje akekho mnandi bazofaka abantu bazofaka umremi
Exactly.
umremi uyabona mangikutshela ngementality umremi kunala athi ubamba ibhola khona kwaba yi-throw in ubamba idisk makaqeda azulenzana idisk ulahlela le uplayer nalo kumele lishaye i-throw in ulahlela ibhola le lando ucoach wagijima ucoach walanda idisk wakhala iplayer le yabona ukuthi uyayibona imentality bengikhuluma ngayo ke yiyo ke imentality engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi lo ugrand lo muntu lo uyazi ukuthi sidinga igoli mara usalahlela ibhola le akekho grand nale eDurban City yathi waste isikhathi nge-throw in lebeli yenza ibhizi engalanda idisk kurile wathatha idisk
Wegaya.
and ubonile ukuthi akusiyo bekumele ishaye i-throw in ngoba leya if uyinikile ibhola ngizolibeka phansi iyovula kuze i-defend urile olithathile ibhola waligaya i-defend mentality yabona ukuthi ayifani yinto engeke ziswinise league mara siyayiwina ke
Hayi naso iwin. Kumnyama kuredi kunjani kuyafana. Siyayithatha.
So kule nto lesikhuluma ngayo manje le question, will experience matter more than tactics? Will experience matter more than tactics?
No.
Kule game yakho.
Oh ukhuluma ngathi
Yeah, kule game yakho. Obi.
no
No to what?
experience won't matter tactics will
Izona zethu span.
hayi bengisho ukuthi ukhuluma nje in general bengizothi no vele ngoba i-Sundowns bayihlaba i-3-2 Tuesday nge-experience yabo legcwele lapha
Hayi tactics.
ama-tactics we-TS Galaxy wawina igame so experience into zakudala ntwana sifana nalezi zinto zabo 7 8 these ama-position
9.
asisasipani lezi zinto lezi
Striker nga-3.
18 akana experience
Okay.
mara wenza izinto ezinzima
It's opposed. Opposed. Earlier on, if my memory serves me well, we were talking about Uhutu.
yeah
Lento ukuthi yena noMakhawula
Okay.
abasayinanga ngithi.
Asikho sure ukuthi abaka renew or what.
oh
Sure.
Yeah.
Uhutu something elanga uPirates.
guidance
Mentorship.
Comes with what?
Okay, experience.
Sure. Guidance comes with experience. Right?
yeah angidingi experience like on the field
No, listen.
ngidingi on the field
But you need this experience ukuthi i-moral ye-team ihlale because you've been there, you know ukuthi company without team spirit
yeah
as a experienced player. Right? So going back to lento leyo ukuthi is it experience or tactics as well? Talking about yesterday's games, it could have been experience ukuthi in this high tempo game we need to slow things down. Hence you said besidinga uMbule, sidinga uDlamini, because Mbule is not a fast tempo player but he can slow things down.
And he knows how to
Ukuthi
read
ngikhona
things.
ukubona clear izinto ukuthi right.
Mara ngeke ngithi une-experience.
Ukhona uku-read igame.
Okay.
Just ukuthi either
Okay.
player
Okay.
here.
Okay. Umbule because of your Pirates udlalela.
Sundowns,
Yeah.
Kukune.
There's teams azidlalela ngithi.
Yeah.
And
Super
being
Sport.
him being that player, I don't think ukuthi the player that he is now, despite whatever external factors zenzakala manje, to what he was back then.
External.
Yeah, okay. Izinto sizibona ku-tablet, esinazi ukuthi
Khona into
You
ayikavayo.
Oh.
understand?
Mm.
So going back to lento lokuthi Mbule when he arrived with Super Sport, he wasn't the type of player that he is today.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of whatever learning curves and bumpy rides
Growth.
it goes with growth and experience. Hence, I'm saying, Guti, in that game, I quote, you needed Mbule
Yeah.
because of he's a player. Lokam Guti could have done a better job, experience player. You understand?
Ungafaki
No, I'm
experience.
not yeah, he is an experienced
We have
player.
phone experience.
He is an experienced player. Okay, it's now Umbas. We know his history, maybe it's from development setup. I'm introduced with a game of that magnitude yesterday. Already, he doesn't have the experience to handle that type of game.
Okay.
And you wanted someone because of he's from the Agayazi challenge there. Okay, yes, but Agayitholanga the same
Yeah,
as
yeah.
Labantu
Yeah,
Abafana.
yeah.
So I'm going back to Ilento Lemfundo emphasize ukuthi even though you might not need experience, but there's some games where you need experience.
Oh, yeah.
No, alright.
Yeah.
No, alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
We do need experience. Mara
lead
sengiyasho ukuthi experience
tactics.
into zakudala. Sebenza tactic.
Kahle kahle okayidinga experience.
Yeah.
Experience izinto zakho.
Yeah,
And
and
you
No,
know,
I think because of nice already sitting because of
Usleep ntwana.
yeah.
Ne. Lama game lawa so. I-first game yakhe ku-Pirates. First game. First team. Uqale vele ngama-game akanje.
Pressure teams.
Besidlala iSoweto udala.
Pressure
Last
team.
season.
Bamfaka ku-depend.
Bamfaka ku-deep end and waperform yabo. Angina problem no-Sleep mina. I-mentality bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi man yacava ntanga masidlala C3 i-challenge. Bayibiza bayabheja 5 runs.
Kahle,
5 runs abahlaba. 5 runs abahlaba.
Kahle, kahle.
Bese bazokhipha mina bafake someone else. Ningenithi niyazi ukuthi nizoфila kanjani ukuthi lo muntu lokhana ngena.
Kahle kahle
I-mentality
ngine
ayifani
i-combination
na.
kaMbatha nolona. Lesivile sijwayele, level esijwayele kahle kahle vele.
Yeah.
Makhawula noMbatha sibone ukuthi badlala.
Hayi ukuthi uslepele
Ugrand.
game.
Awu, yena vele, hayi.
Mina next season mina coach wami i-season mayicala bengavele ngibuildele i-CDM yami kuye
straight.
ngivele ngiqale yena ngifake yena
Dancing.
ngipheke yena kuzoza bodansini bonke bazolwela batshintsha Nondulu uzobuya ngithi
Obvious.
Nondulu obvious Growth yabo uzobuya kuzoba
The
clear.
experience uva ngayo.
Hayi
Okay, can you conclude?
Ivale.
ayakuhlole ngibuka ka-Pirates
Ivale mfana.
yeah.
That's why can we conclude? So if we would like to give predictions for your next match, those are like I need scores, like specific scores.
Score.
Yeah.
I mean, I will tell you my brother. Yes, ovithi nyingi ikoro. Ane? And i-Pirates yakora first 20 minutes kolokuqala.
Score sondlula 3.
Yeah. Kungaba yi-3-0.
Sikhulume ngokuthi sibala ngo-1.
Because of, do you know what? Into bengisho izolo ukuthi i-Durban City ngingabheki i-log table ngasho ukuthi
abana win.
you can't play like that.
Abana win.
You need ukuba ku-top 8.
Ama drop player.
Yangithola. If ufuna ukuba ku-top 8, we knew Stellenbosch ukuthi there's no way ukuthi singadropa ama-points ekhaya abadlali ne-Pirates. Ngithola bazofuna ukuwina and bafuna ukuwina, so they were hoping ukuthi i-Pirates
Na you win.
would win so
Against
that
the
lava
That's
sibakhiphe
exactly.
ngene thina ku-top 8. But no, mangibheka after wonke lama game ngithi Durban City ayizophuma.
Yeah, bona basobi
Find you high.
Yeah.
Stellenbosch awina like
exactly.
Ngiyangithola.
Last game yabona nebona babhayisise khona ukuthi badlala i-draw.
i-draw badlala nani?
ke Trabika
Next
ne ba dlala
game.
ma 1
Sisibhe.
nearly I think ke 5 or 5 or 4 somewhere there. So nje bona mandate ya bona ne lo gae. We need what point 1
Yeah,
point.
they
Let's
won
go
the
We don't want
Bank
to
Cup.
win. But then I
Bank Cup bekumele win it
prediction
Sundowns.
against Obit. Reward him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So see concluded in the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, hey.
Remo.
Please.
Remo.
Okay, I feel like
Eh,
King, eh.
yeah, there.
yeah.
CS Karak.
What I congratulate someone.
Izinja madoda.
Ashayile Spanish.
CS Galaxy.
No,
TS Galaxy, yeah.
Oh. Ashayile Spanish.
Yeah.
Alone lately store at top 80 despite whatever
Speaking of which, Ntwana.
Yakhumbula
Yeah. All right.
episode I think first 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 ngitheni ukuthi iChiefs ngeke bathi bafuna ukucompete for i-league.
Oh, you heard an argument
la babuya khona ne. They have to fight for top 8 or top 3.
Emphasis.
What happened?
Emphasis about the
Basecure Sports CAF Confederations Cup.
competition.
Baby
Competing. Chiefs number 3, number 1. Kajali win for me for this season. So going next season.
Makanthi mina tika Chiefs una lean improvements ne.
We are improving.
Mawapula coach like ngiyahla kancane kancane.
The thing is,
Yabo,
I can tell you what Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, like I feel like leading A is not only on the pitch. There's like 100%, not 100%, 80%. Kinto Talampian close to the affecting to Talamo pitching.
Ne?
For now,
Ne?
that's my opinion. Because the players recadilling little, the players are showing carton, the players
It's all not a show up. It's a wapula makatile ka Chiefs na di play.
It goes back to the psychological side of things.
Yeah, coaching Dallas Kala.
Nita coaching.
That's what I
But mina na into ngikhalela ntwana.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Emphasis, competition,
Ntwana.
competing.
Phe uzwa mina ngithini. Listen to me ntwana. Ukuzongizwa ukuthi ngithini. Ungimamelisisi. Sundowns regress. Not ukuthi because of about whatever yenzakalayo manje, but they did well. Bafike ku final ku Champions League and the final ukuthi baya compete for i-league.
Yeah, baya compete.
As it stands, yabo. Mara regress based on ama player wabo.
All the players.
Izo catch up nabo njenge Barcelona uma 2015.
Yeah, like the Barcelona last time I
player yabo Xavi yabo Iniesta yo mase baba fruit. Kumele baqayele phansi. Khani iBarcelona khani iye manje after how many years? 10, 11 ngiyangithola. So mina uzwa bengikhalelani ngizongena ku Chiefs point la. Ukuthi Chiefs no. Bayenze green ne baqualifyile for baby chef bamnandi by secure number 3 ne. It's a win. I won't lie. Nasebhodini bengizobatshela lapha mama no, it's a win guys. Besu number 9 last season. So number 3. But then my problem is our coach mabangaba keep tada for next season. Now we're gonna have a problem because bengifuna ukuthi compete ne Sundowns. Kube ne team yes4 ezocompete for i-league. Or maybe be 5. Ukuthi league ibe mnandi ibe interesting.
It is to be the top 6.
So bona ama sold out games apha.
It is to be the top 6, ne?
Yeah, top 6
Can I ask you something? You're not going back to the competing type of
No.
But imagine mfuna ukubuza ne. So let's say this is in matter 0-0 game 0-0 whatever.
Yeah.
Everyone who's competing is competing for the title, right?
Yeah.
Then isikhathi masilokhu that's like you, so yabona ukuthi
izinto ziyashintsha manje.
But you're competing for a position
now top 8.
You're competing for a
spot. Yeah, or it's a relegation ngayida. Yeah.
So ngeke kunalento leyo ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs because of last season in number 999. So now they're competing ukuthi bangene ku top 8. That wasn't the case. iCase ibe after sesibona ukuthi we're not going to make it winning the league. We might as well just retain from maybe number
top 3.
I think it's number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Because of the circumstances, izinto zenzile along the way. We thought ourselves ukuthi just win ama game kanje.
So number 2.
You understand?
Labantu lawa ba believe ukuthi bazo secure number 2 spot.
Now I believe to now I believe.
No, angithi besihleka thina
Mina
number 2.
Mina bengibelieve ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs le season le,
Yeah.
we will be competing for the title chase. But
Things-
because of
Dilo di chinchi.
whatever it's a thing,
You believe that?
change. Then we had at least the raise and retain at the position.
Nangishilo boma episode 4 something at no immediate la from last buya khona asibeni ku top 8 top 5 yabo da after lapho next season we have to fight for the league league on that mara no my problem is which is they are doing well now abangakhipha labo coach
Hayi inkinga.
As
they are just gonna
it go back to what I know Keleza Kir. You aim for 100% knowing pretty well.
Yeah.
You to land up with 70 league.
Until the
No
league
one
start.
we're aiming for it.
I know I won't lie
On a good note.
I won't lie baqale
5
grand
games.
and the way baqale ngakhona ngikhumbule nePirates qale kanje last season sisa winner first 7 or 8 games
Yeah.
so nathi besijile ukuthi hayi it's time in the league yabo nabo bekumele basijile kanjalo ngithi imentality from the within the team inside ukuthi guys let's fight ukuthi sibeni la ku top 5 if it's really league
must
it's
compete.
a blessing but let's compete ukuthi sibeni la ku top 5 phela into bengisho manawo ba ku top 3
Nale conclude we
Khosi.
for like congrats.
I shout out guys.
yeah ishayile
Ama-
yeah Sundowns ngathi ngadliwa 5-0 today ngazama
We have to speak about
Khosi.
Sundowns. We have to speak about Sundowns.
Khosi.
Despite whatever form ever kuyo khona manje current moment because lento la iqala manje iqale from
Ngizokubona cheese.
no I'm talking about Sundowns. The past few games playing go like ikhef bobona ukuthi labantu labo iform yayehla they're no longer playing the Sundowns football that you know that maybe Roland Mkwena tried to introduce and stuff like that. The whole concept changed, and you trying to familiarize yourself with something that's new to you is gonna take you some time. And the timing is very bad for them. And I don't think with Mauzo regress they will be taking out many players. Maybe they will keep the players like their star players. Maybe Sundowns actually team, but abroad, not like us. Understand? So
Ubona ne Sundowns. Ubona so like the players abona their age. Mostly the key players abona, core players abona, literally injured. Rena or out, you know.
besides this
Yeah.
they can't take it anymore it's season yonke
Ichayile. Ichayile badlala game tebhaya ne. Yeah,
and Shabo Tala.
Which
You play
uthi abanye ama-fake age
ishubile.
You're the experienced players. Tell one cut on a counter league. You don't think as long as you Sundowns there. Sundowns never saw Sundowns.
ngeke uthamla uthi
It's over
liyaphi
FC
coach
Porto.
That's why Tamile bale
Sundowns
bayethe
banemali yabona lama player abawathengayo ngale mali abawathenga ngayo bekumele ba-investe ku-technical team egrade
development.
emnandi ezosipanisana ne-development ukuthi bakhona ukuthola ama-player from laba bayisela endaba yokuthathana nama-player and manje le player laba balithengile lasibulala manje selifuna ukuba i-top goal scorer
Ewe,
uLeon
ewe.
mara into engishoyo ukuthi bayingakhi abo-Leon eSouth Africa
Bengaka bulion.
mfana sinabo maybe 50 ikhona maybe yaseLimpopo leBochum or maybe uLeon ngashaba uma 30 goals
Yazi
season
njengoba-
Alandi
but manje
Bochum.
angeke mfethu
What is Kama?
Ngiyabanga.
Shabandulula.
Drogba.
Shabandulula Joe.
wenzeni
No, like but once for Renaldi play, the try ka tseno di ka spanela only if you can invest.
Ndulula
Fini nhle.
Ibula ki waka indululo ki
Bongani Ndululo.
Bongani ka di threats.
onadlala Pirates
Oh, ana
chwanta
fitla ka di threats. Ama kufana yazi for
Unadlala Pirates, ubuka
hey lo bekadla ili-Chiefs
mina ngifuna
Lo bekadlala cheese.
yeah umuntu oyi-1
ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesikhathi afika Pirates ngala ma-threats wakhe amabhongo threats Ndululo was a complete striker. And
ayikuyithwanqa leya
and another thing, ne, mangabheka style of play saka lentwana le umbuthu obheka uNdululo. Almost the same, but this is the modern
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
bayafana nje bayafana
Mthaneli walaza.
bayazifanela nje
No,
Walaza.
why is ngibona lima yini? Wabona
Mthaneli walaza.
clip we roommating ne enekishebile.
Yeah.
And akuqeda usheba game le. Ngiveze ka type striker Ndulula games ko Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Ndulula mfethu positioning in terms why tsona le mang dulu la Grand Sharp o baneng se le re ke go
Ah, re tsho jwang. Mkhomi ka no. Mkhomi ka no. Hayi le shakulu.
Athi batho ba jwang
ya yebe ishayi
ke batho ba ne bo
mara naye
abantwana nebagama obvious school lawa la uThepini nani okushayela inye igolo ngazi ukuthi ukore ngayo
Hey wena. Ya ndulula na kona re ngava.
undulula kule game leli usibongile it was 2011 2012 right
2010 2011.
he almost scored hat-trick
Ka game ya Arus.
yeah he almost
The last
scored,
game,
yes,
every
he
winner.
almost scored hat-trick then you ask yourself ukuthi you check the positioning you check I wouldn't say he was clinical but there was some times where he was okay bigger on and off
Yeah.
there was some point la mabona khona then you would think ukuthi alo dize because I do then ngibona ukubona
Hayi, mara uLeon umfowethu nje.
NFT you understand
Enhle kulezi nje azuwina i-Champions League amara ngeke ziyanya aziwini nix
okay score
Technically
predictions
mnandi le.
Score predictions.
yentswe
Safanda ball runs.
Yeah, Safanda.
Mnandi le.
Fanda 1-1
1-1 wena
Mina I wish to uba win at least 2-1.
enhle koyo fana favorite Pirates kanjani from Sundowns
ngibanda Sundowns at least
I know, no.
win home
I have my own.
ijiwe
reasons.
away
because
If you are away.
if aba win home away
Not love sometimes.
but
I mean,
that's
like you can't be beat.
apparently bathi if izoyiwina i-Champions League
because ilangena ku
zizodlala i-Champions
yeah,
League
automatically ziyangena.
ne
And then ama runners up azongena espacing sekhosi for a cave.
amarana sapona
Away Nedbank,
I think
TS Galaxy
TS Galaxy.
why bangathathi number 4 ku
Angithi no increase ama team apparently. Izo increase ama team. Shothi i-cave izoba nama team ayi3.
it's about 3-3 it's about 3 confed 3 cap
And then bese kuba yi-Durban City ne-TS Galaxy uconfirm.
oh
Angithi automatically Chiefs yangena.
yeah ngithi spacing se-Chiefs why bangacuza amazulu
AmaZulu ka
4
komraro
ngingazi.
yeah maro
I don't know
yeah.
ukuthi une-point ngala. I don't know ukuthi bazoyenza kanjani that game because of normally
mfethu
normally beyenzeka kanjani if ever i-runners up beyenzeka uma ukuthi a team is already qualified for a-CAF ne like say like Sundowns win
yeah
number 1
lichuna kanjani
ne-Nedbank then runners up eba yona yeah bangathatha amazulu yeah right
yeah
bangathatha amazulu
before siyivala
oh yeah
then it means 5
kunento
teams
ngibhalela phansi
awuyifunga Isilungu.
okay it goes like this yeah
nake Steve Sikhuwa mfana
here one game one opportunity one chance to bring the league trophy home the ball is in Orlando Pirates court now no excuses no calculation just a win and the trophy is yours but the real question stands Pirates have the mentality to handle this pressure
yes
Mm.
yes
and you must tell me not yes you must tell me why not no you must tell me why
because of the belief baba they
can't you elaborate
ba believe it from Liki Sasol. Remember we lost first 2 games and then after that they showed up after that 2 lost games here Batla they won your MTN that's a belief we can do this Batla they showed up but we na play ball already won only 2 the trophies 2 in their cabinets so for bona or ba lose this thing next week
why
Chiefs,
does no create a room here for one or by lose it
in their minds phela no say
I'm asking you.
yeah ke araba ke kelelong tsa bona no o kana ntho tse pai no media focus on my chance e rona re sleepile mobile right now
so
We
that
need
being
to
said
win.
so that being said we create a room here there's a possibility that Paris might lose the game
never and never again so basa joa
I
mobile
lose now you're reaching
you
lose
lose.
they won't lose
Makhuluma
draw
lose.
one
Makhuluma lose. A draw is still a lose.
yeah to
Cause
Pirates
it
because
will
they're a
Pirates.
big
Yeah, I'm talking
institution
about-
the other
That's what
teams
we're
is
talking
away.
about, right?
Mara they won't lose
Listen, iluze yakho akusiyi ukuthi wamele ukore 1-0. A lose can be a draw.
yeah mara never baje
Mawubani, okay.
Le mabala kahle.
Aru we can lose there.
I understand
Yeah, so
Ke a
mawubani
tseba.
no nano baka draw.
draw ke lose
Okay, mawubani no nano
yeah after qeta bona game e reach 30 minutes ba so score
before game
Yeah,
itala
so
no nano baka
no nearly win
Yeah. So what if the same thing happens? History repeats
it's a
itself.
big
Okay, me and
if
copy.
it's a big if
It's a big if,
Yeah.
yes, I understand. But
Yeah.
now I need you to answer that big if. What if it happens?
the big if is what if you win
Okay.
Yeah.
Judging from yesterday's game, ngiyabona i-console because yazi ifana nalento engiyibuzayo. Izolo nami I was actually praying for Pirates to win the league.
No battle
because ngikhathele it's one.
Yeah, we're not khathele it's one.
Ngikhathele it's one. Ileague kwamele kuyiswetha because ngifila ngathi if kuyenzakala. I'm not saying when. Mangithi when into engisho ngayo. But mangithi if there's a possibility. So if kuyenzakala, i-Pirates draw, we will be considered as
the most failure ever.
Yeah, very.
And not only Pirates, I'm talking about Soweto-based teams.
These Pretoria niggas. What was the question?
The question says, do Pirates have the mentality to handle this pressure? Okay, does Pirates have the mentality to handle the game Melatelang? The last one,
they don't. They don't. Why? Based on the game yesterday. If they had that mentality, it may not be very close the office or Babu Niswuti. The mentality is right with winning. But if you have glory, headlines, what, schemes are go bafana, actually league so even after 14 years, baby. It make in the sense madidingly. More big game like Zolo. They were win.
Okay, game like Zolo. They were win, not as a team.
They were
win. They as a team. If win, not as a player will win, not as a player will win, as a team will win.
Man, so cool man alone and unit amongst the team as a whole.
I'm saying cool man team spirit. A game like Zolo.
Yeah, they elect that unit.
If they elect
unit, they elect the unit.
Win.
Okay.
The unit like as a team, like
team spirit.
Team
if they elect a game like
Zolo,
they
like debatable.
That's
why it's debatable. The way Pirates may hlasela team, but you say they are.
Yeah, King may hlasela.
They can.
King may hlasela. Pirates. Mara ba fitla ko pele ke ne ba etsang individual brilliance. So but say Pirates individual so mentality is up.
Ke kwena nna le ke boneng ka teng ke bone Machitana ba tla win but Machitana ba tla win ba sa win as a team ba tla win
individual
so that's why it's
ebe Moremi
you understand?
But
police have to shine.
If they fix that, I'm gonna win an 8 million next week. But if they don't,
doesn't fix.
So they're
working on it.
Let's say they keep the same lineup, then Bakipela player about introduce it. Will they still make it? Like Bakipumba or okay, Butuma is out. Right?
Butuma is out to Kawachegi.
So
that's only limele serious.
I don't. It is sensitive now. So would you think the outcome of the game will be the same or like the same as the one that you played yesterday?
I mean, if the mentality is right, there's no individual brilliance.
What is mentality if it's right? What is mentality?
If there's team spirit, if it's funugla not uti police remember the collection.
The other thing, Mfukeng and police they are competing for if obviously remember I said Mfukeng share a trick.
So
like healthy competition amongst the players.
Yabona lama legend lawa ku PSL wonke labo wadlala ku PSL zonke lama nonsense lawa wadlala bonke
uyakhanya to be specific
yiba bayenza
into
obvious yiba bayenza lento na kuDliziwe so instead of encouraging lento na lezi bazobe babatshela World Cup uzoba book isports akhe World Cup if angakora uzoyenza in if uzoyenza you are mind fucking him ukumamela uyakuncane bekakuncane usadlala manje sekumele yenze lento lo ishow because sekacabanga isports akhe Cup
batshele mfana ukuthi azini baye
so ilama legend lawa yiyo nonsense nonsense mela thule lama player lawa thule
abeda.
I'm with you on that one but then again we must think sicabangeni kahle ukuthi already if you're a professional player these things is into analyze, and you have a way of actually dealing with them, right? There's some things that you choose to listen to. There's some things that you choose not to listen to. You know, Guti, and there's FIFA World Cup coming. Already, it's in the back of your head, but you need to focus on what's at hand at the moment before you can. So, hence I'm saying, Guti, talking about mentality, highlighting it, Guti, mentality, not only on Pirates, mentality PSL. It's fact.
Thank you. I'm a legend.
We value.
Yeah.
Right.
We value.
Uqedile.
Yeah, kiqedile vele but
Oh, bafuna ukubuza ngebhakanini.
Oh,
yeah, it's all about you.
Oh,
Because
because,
it's all
yeah,
about
no,
you,
no,
because
no.
in vele,
Are you cooking?
When I did the predictions out of Sundowns, Makati.
Uthe
bawini.
kumele bawine
okay,
la.
Bawine ngayi.
Aba-
Badliwe ngala.
bawine two at least, 2-0.
Oh, nalwe
Basta
na
kora.
2.
Baskala wa team
Baska concede.
Yeah, baskala wa team
Okay.
because mfana
Unale
Baska
Williams.
consider.
Unale Williams
Yeah,
kopali.
that's why it's a 2-1.
Unale Williams. Williams.
Williams. Okay, yeah. Okay. There's we could say like three goalkeepers.
For big teams.
Yeah,
From big teams.
So
Aye, for 2 big teams
it's Brandon
and 1
Peterson,
small team.
It's Kiman Konje, Chaine,
Chain.
Rowan Williams. So Kulaba. Which one do you think?
So number 1.
No, not Guti Guzo number 1. Which one do you think Guti Wamela Keto Guti number 1? We know Guti Lo Kuza Keto because of
Me and Mepakani yabo.
Yeah.
Peterson
Okay, let's
For the World Cup.
For the World Cup.
Yeah, like selection.
I mean, nathi bangabakhetha boyi-3 la.
Into benisho ukuthi bathathe kuyi-3. Lo zoqala uzoba yi-number 1.
Yeah.
Wabasacavu ukuthi uzoqala.
Yona i-obvious, mara who will we choose? Who will we choose?
Oh,
Kube number 1.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll go for Peterson, bro.
Yabona ne ku-Peterson.
Yeah.
Izobuya back to when we value mentality first.
Exactly.
Izoba yi-mentality ezomkhawathi ukuthi bekalobela ngadlaleli bafana bafana. Suddenly sekangena ku-World Cup uyavika. Ngithola. Sipho Chaine kuze bamdrope manje uyabuya sekuba uye futhi number 1. Uyabona ukuthi izoba fuck up. Abavimbisa yona le yembobo leya iqinise vele once.
No, mina ngiyakunderstand, ngiyakuzwa.
Performance
Performance-wise uPeterson uzosigasa something.
Exactly.
But then the mentality lo ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi hasn't been there for
yeah, into
engamacavi national setup kanjalo.
Lesibazothi
In as much as in as much as a professional player, you know, like
switch on.
but then that's a different environment compared to coaches.
Or
The pressure to run the coaches.
you might be on
Never finally
You might be on
national
something.
setup.
Case that you spend.
Yeah.
Kutolore demand wa team ka teng no. Unathibela vele o batla selection.
Exactly. Usually.
But then again, after kwa tsona dileng ya re utla from
you just wanted to be there.
Yeah.
I just wanted to be there.
Utla from ground
Shy
level
staff.
asa Jimas kapili de wena go wa ka
Yeah,
teng.
yeah.
So that's why game no
So
sekile
relaxing,
ra relax.
yeah.
Okay.
Control.
Akukila magic. Yeah.
Yeah, mara mele kuvimba Sipho Chaine krem
Mafetsi
krem.
ngakho wena siro
Mr. Clean Sheets.
Sirokuthatha
shout out.
Kiba Foundation.
Yeah.
Siyakhokhile Tudis Legacy.
Oh,
Shout out to Tudis.
Yeah, big up to the sponsors.
Yes.
Coach Caesar.
Yes.
No, Kimangu Kishimi. Ne? Oh yeah, and Shimi. Yeah.
yeah.
Number
Thank you,
one.
Goodman.
Tato Kiba, don't
Thank you,
forget.
Goodman.
Tato Kiba Foundation from Kenza Kondem Point. Kenza Rasha 30, so all the way forward we move.
Obvious.
Kanjani?
Oh, V.
Danko.
Yebo. Tango, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngale nto le besikhuluma ngayo vandag. Udissect nathi yayithola le nto le. Thank you.
Travis.
Yeah, bafethu subscribe, shibo bomake bafethu.